Sorry, folks, was I snoring? My wife says I snore too much, but I proved her wrong. I stayed up one night to see if I snored, and I never did. You know, few folks know the story of how the mystery mine came to be. It happened a long time ago, found accidentally by an ornery mountain trapper named Grandpa Jack. Now, Grandpa Jack was a strange one, kind of a loner. Not surprising when you consider he hunted beaver, coon, and skunk, and smelled like all three. Nobody messed with Gramps. He'd eat you for breakfast. If you see him coming, better step aside. A lot of men didn't, and a lot of men died. He had one fist of iron, the other of steel. If the rival don't, well, you get the idea. Aside from being ornery and beating people up, Jack's real talent was whistling. One day, alone in the cave where he lived, Grandpa Jack began to whistle, causing the earth to tremble and shake. He ran from the cave, forgetting to put his boots on. Suddenly, the ground opened up, revealing what appeared to be an old mine shaft. A rusted-out, dilapidated, authentic reproduction of a bygone era. He had stumbled on the long-lost Thistle Mine. Well, ornery old Jack wasn't so ornery anymore, and thought the mine would make him rich. Re-entering the mine to get his boots, Grandpa whistled yet again. And well, sir, that was the last time anybody seen or heard from him.
a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.